Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will gonna show how to install VirtualBox guest editions in Kali Linux. So, first of all, you have to edit your sources.list file after installing Kali Linux in VirtualBox. I will give the link in the description of how you can edit your Kali Linux repository file. Now update your Kali Linux first time after installing. Now we have to install Linux headers using this command. I'll give the all commands in the description. If you are getting any error like this, so using this command you can see the available Linux headers for the latest version of Kali Linux. So this is the latest Linux headers for Kali Linux. This is the installed kernel in Kali Linux we have to update to new. So copy the Linux headers latest version and install the latest kernel using this command. After installing kernel you have to reboot your system. Now you can see the current kernel using this command. Now we have to install the Linux headers again, and this time it will install without any error. Now we have to install the VirtualBox guest editions using this command. Wait for installing the VirtualBox guest editions without any error, and then reboot your system again. After rebooting your Kali Linux you can see your auto-resize guest display is enabled. That is it. This is the way how to install VirtualBox guest editions in Kali Linux. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Thank you very much.